Greetings. Takuenderera mberi nethe cosine rule. Nhasi tiri kutarisa solving triangles using the sine rule and cosine rules. Saka, as I told you in our previous class, kuti kana maquestions ekusolva matriangles achiuya, it's rare kuti auye akaindicata kuti uchashandisa chii pama different mechanisms and methods atakadzidza pakusolva matriangles. We learned a lot of methods pakusolva matriangles. Kutanga nekuma right angled triangles kwatakadzidza kuti we can use Pythagoras theorem kana tichitsvaga a side. But in the event yekuti tiri kutsvaga an angle kana kuti tiri kutsvaga a side, we then use what are called trig ratios. The chasho tau being the mnemonic inotiudza kuti cos theta, sin theta na tan theta zviri equal to chi. We then went on to learn kuti we can also apply the chasho tau even when the angle is obtuse. And by virtue of being obtuse, of which an obtuse angle by definition is an angle which is greater than 90 degrees but less than 180 degrees. Zvinoreva kuti triangle iyoyo inenge isisiri a right angled triangle. That is when we learned kuti sin theta is equal to the sine of 180 degrees minus theta, minus cos theta is equal to the cos of 180 degrees minus theta, minus tan theta is equal to the tan of 180 degrees minus theta. From there we crossed over to non-right angled triangles. And these non-right angled triangles ndopatakaproposa mainly two methodologies kana kuti two methods to solve these triangles. We had the sine rule, we also had the cosine rule. But in this lesson, we want to use both the sine rule and the cosine rule. And in the process, we should also learn kuti when is the sine rule used, when is the cosine rule used. Saka tiri papo, I think it's best kuti titange tangoita a very quick summary of the two rules. So we have what is called what? The sine rule. So what does the sine rule say? The sine rule says A over the sine of A is equal to B over the sine of B, which is equal to C over the sine of C. Then takataura kuti instead of writing it like this, we can also write it like this. It can be sine of A over A is equal to the sine of B over B, which is equal to the sine of C over C. Saka chekutanga chatirikuona icorrespondence. Kana tikainyora tichitanga neside A, B kana C pamusoro, we could maintain that throughout the whole formula. Tikainyora zvakare tichitanga ne included angle, like patiri kuti sin A, sin B, sin C, we should also maintain that throughout the whole formula. Zvazviri kureva pano hama ndezvekuti A over sin A is equal to sin B over B. We cannot write these interchangeably. Hatikwanisi kungoita bvonga mupopoto, hatikwanisi kungobvocha kuita dira tivhange kungozanganisa titenderwe. You understand? So this is not allowed. Then the next thing is issue a correspondence. A, which is a side, anofambidzana na capital letter A, which is the angle. B, the side, ofambidzana na B, the angle. C, the side, ofambidzana na C, the angle. However we write it. Chero tikatanga nema sides pamusoro, tozonyora ma angles as denominators. kana kuti totanga nema-angles as numerators tozonyora ma-sides pazasi as denominators. So this is a very comprehensive illustration of the sine rule. If you want to learn more about it, you have to go to our lesson we did on the sine rule, where we explain in more detail kuti inoapply papi uye unoziva sei kuti unofanirwa kuapply papi. Let us then talk about the cosine rule. So for the cosine rule, we said a squared is equal to b squared plus c squared minus 2bc cos a. B squared is equal to a squared plus c squared minus 2ac cos b, and c squared is equal to a squared plus b squared minus 2ab cos c. So this is the cosine rule. Chatofanirwa kunotisa if we are to compare the two rules in any way ndechekuti correspondence iripo zvakare. A, which is the side, ari kufambidzana na A, which is the angle. B the side, B angle. C the side, C the angle. Then apa pakati apa pakuchipinda amwe masides 2 atinawo, because kana chiti a squared is equal to, in essence tiri kutsvaga kuti a ndiani, then pa b squared is equal to tiri kutsvaga kuti b ndiani, then pa c squared is equal to tiri kutsvaga kuti c ambori ani. So there is another way of writing the cosine rule. We are going to introduce it, but I do not favor it. As I told you earlier, kuti as an instructor, semunhu akatonyorawo form formats gore raakanyora kapasa, sometimes ndinouya neadvice. I present information yese the best of my ability, but I can tell you kuti pamamethods 3-4 andaintroduce iwewe shandisa iri, and pamaformulas andanyora aya iwewe shandisa iri. Ndosaka zvakakosha kujoina the method pamusana pekuti I study my students and I try to understand their strengths and their weaknesses, kuitira kuti when I provide a lesson, I tailor make the lesson to the demands and needs of my students. So owed to that, please, this is the sine rule I want you to use. Ino ishi. Kana muchiikrema, kremai ishi. Irangarirei yakadai so. Iri pazasi siyanai nayo. It has more trouble than good. Then, kunyangwe tichazointroduce another way of writing the cosine rule kumberi uko, but for you, please, this is the cosine rule you should remember. Ichauya kumberi uko, there is more harm than good from it. Kunyangwe hayo iri useful, hasi kuti yakashata, iri useful, but in its usefulness, most students get it wrong. Okay, we have sufficiently summarized the sine rule and the cosine rule. Let us now consider our first example. This is our first example. Zviri kunzi izvo, in triangle ABC, A is equal to 6.7 centimeters, C is equal to 2.3 centimeters, and B is equal to 46.6 degrees. Find B, A, and C. So zvatinotanga kuita as a rule, zvatinotanga kuita semutemo, in every case yatinenge tichifanirwa kusolve a triangle, is to put down the triangle. We should know kuti triangle yacho yakamira sei, so we put it down. This is going to be my triangle. Ndatoudzwa nequestion kuti triangle iyi ndi A, B, C. Remembering kuti A, B na C ma-included angles aya ndoanonzi ABC. Then ndobva ndaudzwa kuti A iri equal to 6.7 centimeters. Ndichaziva kuti A mudiki ari papi, the side, nekutsvaga the opposite of the included angle A, kureva kuti panapa a anenge ari unoyu 6.7 because ari opposite a ushu handi zvinodyidzana zvinofambidzana. Saka c anenge ari papi? Kana answer yenyu yanga iri c ari kuno 2.3, that is correct, and b is equal to what? 46.6 degrees, like this. Question iri kuti find b, a and c. Saka tiri kunzi titsvage chii? Tiri kunzi titsvage b uno uyu, which is the side. Tiri kunzi zvakare titsvage this angle c, uye titsvage this angle a. So what are we going to do? Question iyi tisati tatomboenda kure, we should acknowledge kuti inoda calculator. It's a paper 2 styled question. There is no way yatingatsvaga masine nemacos ana 46.6 kana tisina calculator. Okay, saka zvatinotanga kuita ndezvekuti we look at our triangle, then we make an informed decision. Saka totanga kutsvaga a angle here, angle a, angle c here, kana kuti side b. Tinokwanisa here kutanga kutsvaga angle a for instance. Angle a hatikwanise kutanga kuitsvaga pamusana pekuti angle a tinenge takufanirwa kuiwana tichishandisa the sine rule. Why ndati a inongowanikwa chete kana tichishandisa the sine rule? Ndiri kufila kuti explanation yangu inogona kukonzeresa hafu. Saka kana muchiteerera please teererai kaviri pane zvandoda kutaura. Reason inoita kuti tisakwanisa kutanga tatsvaga a, which is that angle a, this one, inhau yekuti we have a corresponding side. A is equal to 6.7 centimeters. In order for us to be able to apply the sine rule, takati isusu we need a completed pair. And by completed pair taiti side neangle. Saka angle yatiinayo munomu i1 46.6 degrees. Haina side. Saka because angle b haina side, hatikwanise kushandisa the sine rule paquestion iyi as yet. Nekuti the requirement of the sine rule, maybe let me write this. The requirement of the sine rule, what is it? Chinonyanya kudikwa pasine rule, it's a completed pair. And by completed tenge chitaura pamusoro pechi, tikutaura pamusoro pe side with what? Its angle. Side with its angle. Saka kana iri a inenge iri a over sine a, kana iri b inenge iri b over sine b, kana iri c inenge iri c over sine c. So chinodikwa kuti tikwanise kuapply sine rule i-completed pair. Chinodikwa kuti tikwanise kuapply sine rule i-completed pair, of which apo hatina. Because tikatarisa angle yatingori nayo i1, angle yacho haitorina corresponding side. Saka sine rule haishande, saka tikwanise kutanga kutsvaga a, angle a, kana kukwanisa kutanga kutsvaga c, which is angle c. So what are we going to do? Tichazvifambisa sei? Let us do this. Tichatanga kutsvaga side b. Side b tinoriwana tichishandisa chii? Side b tichariwana tichishandisa the cosine rule. Saka cosine rule yedu panapa muchaona kuti tichaapply, because my requirements cosine rule, maybe let me also write it down. So if you are taking notes, ndozvinhu zvekutonyora pasi izvi, because zvakakosha. And kana tichitsvaga missing side tichishandisa cosine rule, and what do we need? We need two non sides. Amwe maside ari 2 tofanira kumaziva, plus we need included angle, but not only an included angle, this should be an included angle of missing side, like this. That is what we need. Kana tichitsvaga a missing side shandisa cosine rule, tinoda zvinhu zviviri. Chekutanga, amwe masides 2 atisiri kutsvaga acho anofanirwa kuzivikanwa. That requirement has been met because C tiri kumuziva 2.3, A tiri kumuziva 6.7. Then we need the included angle of the missing side. What is the missing side? B. Included angle ya B tinayo, capital B, which is 46.6 degrees. So you see kuti we can actually apply the cosine rule. Okay, we have outlined the reason why we cannot use the sine rule. We have also outlined the reason why we should use the cosine rule. Let us now provide a solution to this question. So since tiri kutsvaga B, tichashandisa this formula. B squared is equal to A squared plus C squared minus 2AC cos of what? Of B. Then kana tadaro tichafanira kutinetsa, takungosubstituta B squared is equal to A ndiani 6.7, so it's 6.7 squared panapa, plus for C ndiani 2.3, 2.3 squared subtracting 2 iri kumultiplier A 6.7 C 2.3, the cos of what? What is B? B is 46.6 degrees. Saka we go to our calculator and we compute that. What should we compute? 6.7 squared plus 2.3 squared. So you have to be careful with your calculator. You also should know kuti iri in degrees to answer you correct. So 6.7 squared plus 2.3 squared subtracting 2 iri kumultiplier chi 6.7, yes, and multiplying again 2.3, then the cos of what? 46.6. If we compute this, inini ndiri kuwana this value, which is 29.0039629170.1. Saka ndaisa zvese zvimucalculator ndo value yandawana ndainyora sezvairi. Then kuti tichiwana B side ratiri kutsvaga, we take what? The square root of both the right and the left, like this. Zvoreva kuti B inge iri equal to chi? Let us take the square root of that tuone. So we are taking the square root of 29.0039629170.1. Value yatiri kuwana, then tikatarisa panapa tiri kuona kuti masides edu ese are expressed to what? To 1 decimal place. Saka answer yedu should be to 1 decimal place. Saka value yandiri kuwana panapa it's 5.385526900087. Value iyoyo tikaiexpressa to the nearest, or rather tikaiexpressa to 1 decimal place, inotipa value of 5.4 centimeters. So this is the value of B. B is equal to what? 5.4, like this. Saka B tapedza nayo. But B atipei. Can you see kuti B atipa a completed pair? Because pana side B tina included angle B zvakare. Tashandisa a cosine rule kuwana B. Takuda kuchitsvaga either angle A kana kuti angle C. So we basically have to choose kuti tiri kuda kutanga kutsvaga angle C here, tozotsvaga A, kana kuti tiri kuda kutanga tatsvaga A tozotsvaga C. So in our choosing, I'm going to only pick one. I'm going to choose kutanga ndatsvaga C, but I'm going to give you as a homework, as a task, kuti start with A. So if you start with A, your answer should actually be the same with the answer I'm going to get here after ndatanga na C. Okay. Panapa manje, we can now apply the cosine rule. The reason why we can now apply the cosine rule, inawe kuti we have a completed pair. Our completed pair will B, because we have the side B, we have the corresponding interior angle B. Saka because tane completed pair, we can use that to our advantage kuti titsvage the angle C. So how do we do it? Tinongoya panapa toti B over sine B is equal to what? C over sine C. So this is the part of the sine rule that we are going to use. Tadaro, what else are we going to do? Tinobva tati, what exactly are we looking for? Tiri kuda kutsvaga C ari under the sign of C. Saka panapa we can make sine C the subject of the formula. How do we do that? We can use two methods, the balancing of the equation, or rather we can use cross multiplication. So if you are not well vexed in cross multiplication, I would advise kuti muchandise the traditional way of balancing the equations. If you do not understand how to do that traditional way, you can ask in the comments section. I will direct you to a video I did which explains how to solve equations either by the method of balancing the equation or by the method of cross multiplication. Rather, tikaita cross multiplication, at the end of it tichawana sine C iri equal to C sine B over B. That is what we're going to get. Then tadaro, sine of C is equal to, what is C? C into 2.3 sine of, what is the angle B? 46.6 degrees over, what is the side B? 5.4. Saka sine C is equal to chi. If we insert this into our computer, that is calculator. A calculator is a computer, by the way. 2.3 over 30 sine of 46.6 dividing 5.4. Tiri kuwana 0.309466989949. Ndoya tiri kuwana. Then remember takati chi, takati kana tichida kutsvaga C, because panapa tiri kutsvaga C, tizi kutsvaga sine C. We are basically going to take the arc sine of this number 946698949. So what is going to be the arc sine? Arc sine maonera tinoita tinobaya shift, that is if you are using a right view, cannot a scientific calculator, baya sine, then of course we insert that number. Answer yandiri kuwana ichi, let me insert that number. Okay, answer yandiri kuwana it's 18.02705212707, and apa ndango enter my digits up to the 6th decimal place. So tikatarisa in our question tinoona kuti ma angles they are given to 1 decimal place, kureva kuti C wedu anenge angori equal to 18, because it's 18.027. So you can write it as 18.0 or just 18 degrees. That is C for us. tawana C ari equal to 18 degrees, hazvichafanirwi kutinetsa panapa kuti tiwane this angle because C taudzwa kuti ndiani, it's 18 degrees, saka taura kutsvaga A. A hachanetse because we know kuti the sum of the interior angles of a triangle are equal to 180 degrees. Saka A plus B plus C should give us 180, of which tiri kutsvaga A, so A should be equal to 180, subtracting B, subtracting C. B na C zvajamba ecosine, saka zvosvika zvichiita manegatives. Saka panapa A is equal to 180 degrees, subtracting 46.6, subtracting 18. A is equal to, what is going to be the answer there? 180 minus 46.6 minus 18, we get 115.4 degrees. That is our A. So pamuchaita this task, which is going to be our number 1 pama practice questions edu, you should start nekutsvaga A, but A wacho unomuwana uchishandisa chi? Sine rule. Why? Because of the completed pair of B over sine B. Then kana wawana A, C unozomuwana uchishandisa the sum of interior angles of a triangle, which is 180 degrees. If you do that properly, we should get the same results. Are there any questions here? If you have any questions, please utilize the comments section. So tapedza lesson redu. What we now need to do is to give you an exercise. So our exercise is taken from New General Mathematics Book 4. This is chapter 11. This is what page? Page 90. And I want you to do exercise 11B, just number 1 to number 4. And my triangles up. That is going to be your homework. Thank you for your attendance to this lesson. So in the comments section, which takes you to an invite to the Math Hub. So the Math Hub is the name of our school. This is an online school which is only specialized in the instruction of mathematics. We teach mathematics from O-level maths, O-level statistics, O-level additional maths, A-level pure mathematics, A-level statistics, and we are broadening the courses we can cover. To join the Math Hub, you have to contact me on the numbers which are provided in that invite. But to those who just want to take it from this video, you get me on WhatsApp on these 2 numbers. So this is my Zimbabwean number coded +263. This is my South African number, which is coded +27. So you can access me on WhatsApp on these numbers. But if you need to call, you have to use the South African number. Thank you and take care.